I'm surprised it's not BPU, but
good morning. Good morning. This is Judge Alyssa Perez, resuming the criminal docket for the 210 District Court for November 8th, 2022. All matters being heard today are being heard in accordance with all emergency orders and directives regarding COVID-19. In addition to that, we are streaming all matters live via YouTube for public viewing. I'll go ahead and call it Victor, calling cause number 2021 0D01663, State of Texas versus Jacob Guerrero. May I have an announcement?
Samantha Rogg on behalf of the state. Say ready, Your Honor.
Your Honor, Daniel representing Mr. Guerrero. We're ready on.
And we're set for a final hearing, but I think I recall there were some things outstanding, which is why we did not also set it for a trial. So who has the best update right now?
He's in prison, Judge. He's in federal custody. And you had asked me to see if there's a way to find out that we can plead him out to this case. Mr. Salcido was kind enough to send me the plea papers and work out a deal. Okay. That's the good part. The bad part, Judge, is I'm still waiting for the family members to send me some documents concerning my contractual obligations with him. And so I'm hoping that they can do that. I'm just looking for a small amount of those obligations, and then I can proceed with contacting the federal institution to try to work it out.
Okay, Judge, my thought is, let me ask, what's the rec? What's the rec on this case? It's
going to be 2 years TDC to run concurrent with his federal charge that he had. Previously, it was deferred. It was deferred probation. But since he got arrested and he was sent to a federal institution, I asked Mr. Salcido if he can go ahead and
give you a time
and get a time rec so we can run it concurrent when he gets out.
Yeah, Judge, what my thought is, you know, I don't have, if that's what we're looking at, that's what I was wondering what the rec was, is to put you on basically what is the next regularly scheduled trial date, which will be in June of 2023. We'll have, you know, normal settings before then. So however you all figure it out, I think that's enough of a window. And certainly if it gets done sooner, you'll let us know.
If the family members aren't able to come in, then I'm gonna be filing my motion to withdraw shortly, Judge. That way the court can appoint, and once they get the appointment, that lawyer can contact me, and I'll be happy to provide information to try to get this thing resolved, Judge.
Okay, Myrna, what's our next trial date? That regular trial date in June?
June 2nd, Judge.
Okay, so June 2nd, which will mean a May 30th final hearing plea deadline, and then we'll get you those interim settings. Thank you for your help, Judge.
Yes, and if something happens sooner, I'll contact the court and Mr. Salcido and Ms. Rago immediately to try to set up a plea date if they come forward with it.
Okay, sounds good. I appreciate your help. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Be careful. Stay safe, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Do we have anyone else? Mr. Veith popped up, but I feel like it's not me.
You're all right.
Mr. Avalar.
Okay.
Whoever you are.
Who are you here on, Mr. Avila?
Slater. It's a judges conference for.
And Mr. Veith, yours also not on the record?
No, mine will not be. Need to be on the record.
Okay, so we